Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from group 6. We will present about permutation and combination. Before we start our presentation, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Nurani Apriliana and my partner is Emilia Solihat. Our presentation contains permutation, combination, and the example. For the first material, we will present by Emilia.
So the first material that we want to learn is about permutation. So this is the definition of permutation. A permutation is an ordered selection or arrangement of all or part of a set of objects. So when we have a set of objects and we want to select a part of all from a set of objects, so we call it permutation. And we must remember that permutation are used when the order is important. So when we have like AB, it's not same with BA. Why? Because it's depend on the order we call the element. So when we call AB, it's mean that A is the first element and B is the second element. And when we call it BA, so we know that B is the first element and the A is the second element. So it's not same in permutation. Here we have theorem, and the theorem states that the number of permutation of an object is n factorial. So when we have 4 letters A, B, C, and D, the number of permutation of the 4 letters A, B, C, and D will be 4 factorial, that is 24. So now consider the number of permutation that are possible by taking 2 letters at 8 times from 4. This will be AB, AC, AD, BA, BC, BD, CA, CB, CD, DA, DB, and DC. It's same. We have same techniques to 3 letters and 4 letters. So we have definition here for any non-negative integer n factorial called n factorial is defined as n factorial equals n times n minus 1 and so on until times 2 and times 1, with special case 0 factorial equals 1. So from this definition we can find that 4 factorial equal to 24 is given by 4 factorial equal 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, that is 24. So using this definition we can calculate the number of permutation more effective. This is the formula of permutation. We call it n permutation r equals n factorial over n minus r factorial, where n is the total number of a set of an object and r is the object selected. And as a result, we have the theorem that follows. The number of permutation of n distinct objects taken r at a time is n permutation r equals n factorial over n minus r factorial. Okay, so I think when you see this formula or the theorem, you don't understand what the means of permutation. So we go to the example. Okay, so this is the first example. We have in a middle school, there was an election for the student council president and vice president. The students are asked to choose 2 out of 12 candidates. So there are many ways that can be done, as many as to solve this question we can use the permutation notation. First, we must to write the given information that start in question. We have n equals 12 and r equals 2. So we just use permutation notation. We have 12 permutation 2 equals 12 factorial over 12 minus 2 factorial equal 12 factorial over 10 factorial. And like this we have 12 times 11, that is 132. So the answer is B, right? It's pretty easy, right? Okay, so I have theorem again here. The theorem states that the number of permutations of n objects arranged in a circle is n minus 1 factorial. So we just go to the example. We have a family of 6 sits around a circular dining table. The many ways in which they can sit around the dining table in different orders are, so yeah, we know from the question that n equals 6, we just substitute n the formula, that is n minus 1 factorials. Since n is equal to 6, we have 6 minus 1 factorial, that is 5 factorial, that is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, that is 120. So there are 120 ways they can sit around the dining table.
Next, about combination. Combination is a mathematical technique that determines the number of possible arrangements in a collection with items where the order of the selection doesn't matter. It shows how many different possible subsets can be made from the large set. The difference between permutation and combination is when counting the number possible permutation of a set order is important, but when a combination order is not important. Formula of a combination is n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial. It is read as n choose r for n greater than equal r greater than equal 0, and is the number of things to choose from, and we choose r of them. The example of combination is, there are 10 people in a meeting. If everyone shakes hand, how many handshakes are possible? The answer, there is 10 people, so n is 10, and handshake is 2 people, so r is 2. So combination 10 choose 2, 10 factorial over 2 factorial, then minus 2 factorial is 45. So there is 45 handshakes are possible. The next, there is 2 types of combination. The first is combination from multiple selection pools. When present with multiply groups of items from which you are required to make a selection, you will multiply the spared case together. For the example, there are 5 bacon and 8 tomato available to make a sandwich. How many possible sandwiches have 2 bacon and 3 tomato? So the answer, we will multiply the combination of bacon and tomato. For bacon, combination 5 and choose 2. So there is a 10. From tomato, combination 8 choose 3. So it is 56. We multiply 10 and 56, so there are 560 possible sandwich have 2 bacon and 3 tomato. Okay, the next, the type of combination that use at least or at most. So their question will require you to add all possible cases together. Example, accounting of 5 people is to form a group of 4 men and 7 women. How many possible commits can be formed if at least 4 women are on the commit? The answer is There is two possible ways. First, for woman choose and one boy, or all member is woman. For woman choose and one boy, it is combination 7 choose 4 and combination 4 choose 1. For combination 7 choose 4 is 35 and combination 4 choose 1 is 4. So 35 times 4 is 140. And the next 5 women choose is combination 7 choose 5, so it is 105. Therefore 140 plus substitute 140 plus 105 is 245. So there are 245 ways possible commits can be formed if at least 4 women are on the commits. I think that's all from us. Thanks for your attention. Sorry for any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.